Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Next Road. In this video we are going to details review the NCAA Speed Mini Helmet. The helmet brand, Riddell. Color, silver and more. Age range, all ages. Size, 7.5 inches by 6.5 inches, model name, Riddell Men Unisex Adult. Special features of this helmet. The helmet ideal for autographs. The Speed Mini helmet is a scaled-down version of Riddell's highly sought-after new helmet. This iconic collectible is now offered in the innovative new Speed helmet design, complete with official colors, decals, interior padding, and a 4-point chin strap. Customers usually keep this item. This product has fewer returns than average compared to similar products. Thanks for watching, please like my video and subscribe the channel.